Hello, everybody! Welcome to Be Green with Amy. I am Amy, and this is Meetup episode Sweet 16! And in today's episode, we are going to tell you about something that you may have missed for a while. Sometimes you miss Asian takeout, but not here, because JoAnn, our Green Star member, is going to show us how to make egg without an egg, Foo Young. And it's going to be whole food plant-based, no added sugar, oil, or salt. But it's still going to be delicious. So today we are joining the Vegas Whole Food Plant-Based Lifestyle Meetup without sugar, oil, or salt. That's you guys. There's also a Plant Pure Communities pod called Southwest Florida Healthy Eating Group, which is also you guys.
All right.
So without further ado, please give a warm welcome to our Green Star member, JoAnn.
Hi, so I'm making Egg Foo Young. This was my mother's favorite thing when I was a kid. She'd come home and I was like, you went there and had an omelet? And I was like, really? Of course, it wasn't like she ever made omelets either, so so I could understand why she did this. So this works out, and it's relatively easy. I'm making it in the NutriBullet because it's just simple and easy. Start out with some just firm tofu. You don't have to strain it or press it. Okay, so in goes, this is about a pound of tofu, and then to that we are going to add water. Okay, this is chickpea flour. I'm adding chicken stock so that, which is a vegan chicken stock, to just add a little more flavor so it just isn't water. And some newt, which is also called nutritional yeast, and a little bit of turmeric so that it gets a little more golden color. And then I'm going to add just a little more liquid. I used Bragg's in here. So and then on this one, this is why I'm waiting a second on adding this after I added those liquids, because this has baking powder in it, and it would have kind of done this little bubbly thing. Because I put the baking powder in before I put the vinegar in the last time. Super awesome. It was like, woo! I put some ground flax in here. We'll put this little zippy thing on here. I'll just put it in here. Is the liquid part, which is making up the egg portion of our Egg Foo Young. This is all of the vegetables, mushrooms, little beans. So they all go in. Now you can't really find anything that's really hard about that. So then you just mix it up. Put about a half a cup or so. Flatten it out a little.
How do you prevent it from sticking?
This is one of those gold top things, so it doesn't really stick. It will release also as it's done.
Have you ever tried baking them?
Yes, you can bake them. There's plenty of recipes online for them baked, and they will bake this way. That's the easiest part of it.
Sticky.
Huh? No, it didn't stick, yeah. So I'm not getting any sticking on this, so this is pretty good. Of course, it came out of a box that my husband said, where'd that go from? This one you can immerse. So you can't, you just pull out the plug, and there you are. And for our cameraman, he gets the first one.
Fighting over it. Fantastic. Really, really good.
Great. Well, everybody get I am telling you, it smells so good in here. And for all of us that haven't had Asian takeout in a long, long time, we're in for a real treat. I'm really excited about it. And I hope that you guys at home will try this recipe out. And if you have a different recipe that you want to share with us, just leave it in the comments below and let us know what you're doing. And please remember, click on subscribe so that we know that we can bring you more awesome videos just like this one. And until we see you again, be strong, be well, and be